Alright, something else I'm thinking of doing is I kind of like Josh's theme of the Monday Scale News. Obviously, he's got that covered. Not even going to attempt to step in on that. Josh does a great job with it. Something that I thought might be cool is just to kind of update you guys on what it is that I'm doing specifically. So this Saturday, I'm working on the dash for the Power Tank 4Runner right now. And I'm also heading out to Max Customs out in Huntington here in New York. And John is going to take on this project, which I obtained from my buddy Dan Wyatt. This is a really badass clodbuster. It was started by a friend of his, and I'm going to finish it up as the Nightmare monster truck. That's what it was originally started as. And I've contracted John to take on doing the paint work. So he's going to do the Nightmare down the cab, and the raccoon superhero on the side, and the lettering on the bed and stuff for the original owner's company that he had. This is a really awesome truck. Tilt hood, as you can see, tilt bed. The person that started on this thing did an amazing job. It's all pinstriped, just like the real monster truck was. This thing is going to be one of my holy grails. I'm hoping when I'm done. I'm really stoked to have John doing the hand-painted lettering and graphic work. I think that's going to really set aside from a lot of the other retro monster trucks that have been built in the past, where guys typically use vinyl artwork and stuff. I think the fact that it's going to be hand-painted is really going to set it apart. Get the Nightmare truck back from John over at Max Customs, and I just had to take a quick second to show you guys and shout John out for the absolutely amazing job that he did on this paintwork. I mean, he absolutely nailed the details down. The raccoon superhero especially, absolutely perfect. The Nightmare lettering, absolutely perfect. He even did the RC camper and 4x4 center for me. Couldn't have done a better job. Super happy with the work. True artist, real nice guy. BS with me about all kinds of RC stuff, and looking forward to doing some more work with him. I will drop the links for his page as well in the description. That's John's Max Customs. So I'm back with more of an update. Like I said, I want to try to keep everyone informed on what stuff that I'm working on. As you can see here, I have an entire ton of awesome parts that came in the mail so far this week. I'm really stoked to get the stuff onto the trucks, and I figured I'd just do a quick little review of everything, of what I got going on here, and what's going on with the channel, and what builds I'm working on this week, and what I have in stored. I ordered up some of the RC4WD. These are the 1.7 aluminum truck dually style wheels. These are awesome. I love aluminum wheels on everything. I just think it really makes for making the trucks really nice. I think the 1.7 size is a pretty good scale, kind of give it that new age look where the guys run the slightly bigger wheels. As far as tires go for those, I decided to go with some RC4WD. These are the fuel tires. So I got 6 of those to go with the wheels. I'm going to get those mounted and get them on the truck, and I'll show you guys what an update on that looks like later. Now is my buddy Mike. I call him Russian. He's a phenomenal machinist, and he has been working on a bunch of really cool old school style clodbuster stuff for me. So this year he went ahead and he hooked me up and he did aluminum clodbuster bumpers. These are a great option. Mike does sell these to the general public. I will drop the link to his Instagram and his information for you to get in touch with him if you're looking for aluminum bumpers for your clodbuster. He also does aluminum ladder bars. This was something else that JPS had done back in the day, and those ladder bars are extremely hard to come by. They're extremely expensive. So a while back I had given Mike some of the stock ladder bars. He drew them up and he's reproduced them, and they are absolutely gorgeous. Next, we are working on the dash for the 4Runner, for the Power Tank 4Runner here. I started with a bruiser interior. I cut that up and working with some styrene. As you can see here, I've got the proper cluster arch, and I've extended it to make the dash pad. Extended the bottom. You can see I've got it cut out to add the the knob button assembly for the glove box. This is coming along real well. This is going to look awesome in this. I ordered a dinky interior kit kind of to cheat. I'm going to use his floor pan, and then I'm going to use the measurements off his door panels to make my own door panels. This Rich, part of my noob, of course, always hooking me up. I got the inner fender well rad support kit for the 4Runner here. And then last but not least, something I was super excited to get. For those of you who are not familiar with UltraHiVE, UltraHiVE is a painter. He's one of my favorite artists. This guy paints super cool, old school style paint schemes. He's actually an old school BMX guy, so he's got like, you know, that he just loves like the whole 80s theme. So you can see the colors on this thing. They're freaking awesome. You got the palm trees on there. I saw that he posted this body up, and I hit him up right away. I own 2 other of his paint jobs. Lou's a super cool guy. I'll drop the link for his Instagram as well, in case you want to follow his work. He's always doing old RC10 paint jobs, and you pretty much probably have to fight me for anything Blackfoot or Cloudbuster related, because obviously I'm obsessed with that stuff. So for now, I'm going to stop rambling. I think I've rambled long enough, but just want to keep you guys updated, and yeah, I'm going to get started on working on some stuff here. Looking forward to getting some of these parts installed. So thanks for tuning in. This is something I'm going to try to do in between doing segments of full rig reviews and stuff, just so you guys could, you know, keep in the loop with things. And if you guys like it, remember to like and subscribe, give it a thumbs up, hit the bell button if you want notifications. And if you have any questions about anything, I'm going to try to drop the links for all the parts in the description and the title and all that stuff, so this way you guys know what's what. And if you want to get it for your stuff, you'll have that info. And yeah, that's it. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.